Hello, Weather Overlord back with another video, and in this video it's gonna be different, but we're gonna be reviewing the reports of the tornado outbreak that took place on March 30th, and the time that I'm recording this is April 1st. So yeah, but this video might be out by the same day, or it's gonna be out tomorrow. Well, it depends on when you're seeing it. I don't know, but yeah. So we see here, we got 32 tornadoes, and I was reading some articles and it was saying 4 or something. Seems like the National Weather Service and NOAA finally got the reports out. I knew there was like a few tornadoes, so took place in Michigan, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky, Tennessee, Missouri, Arkansas, Mississippi, maybe Alabama, kind of Louisiana too. Yeah, so it's basically all that was reported, but there's like a whole list of the reports and time and location. Also says the rating for it, so apparently so it goes by, yes, it goes by order, okay. Yeah, so it's military time, I think, 1822, so I'm thinking that's like 6:22 p.m. But it says the tornado moved from the southwest corner of Champaign County to just north of Tolano. It covered 12 miles in 12 minutes, doing EF1 damage to EF1 damage to outbuildings and trees. It was 2. I don't know what they mean by that, but yeah, EF1 damage. So yeah, I think that'll be classified as the EF1, I believe. Did not say the wind speed, like the other one says it. This was in Illinois, in Champaign County. So 12 miles in 12 minutes, so yeah, I can't. I'm not going to calculate how fast that was. That's going to take a bit for my brain to work. But we move on to the second one. So we got quite a few here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to. This is probably going to be a long video. I'm going to have to power through some, but this one was in Indiana at this was 19. So that means it would be 7:28 p.m. So it says here, a National Weather Service storm survey determined an EF0 tornado with peak winds near 75 miles per hour developed near W600 and about 2 miles west of US Route 41, where it was uproot. So this was a EF0. I'm not sure about the W and 600N part. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comment. I actually don't know. Be nice if someone told me about it in the comments, but all right. Yeah, Newton County, Indiana. So we move on to the third report. So this was another hour after. So this was 8:22. 2 hours after the first tornado, which was an EF1. This one is also in Indiana, just like the last one. Yeah, I'm reading off the website, so it's off NOAA. I'll put the link inside the description of this video so you can check it out. But this is Marshall County, Indiana. This says it's an EF1 tornado. So all right, I'm gonna read it. National Weather Service survey confirms an EF1 tornado developed 2 miles southwest of Anciella College. The tornado tracked 3.3 miles northeast before dissipating, and it was 750 yards wide. Okay. 750 yard. Okay. I'm kind of stupid. No, I don't know I forget how long. Yardstick. Okay, can you think of that? I'm not gonna think of that now. Probably after this video, we're gonna move on. So we're gonna try to speed run it. I might not read the full one or the description of it, but so this was at same hour. So it was 8. Yes. Yeah, it was 8. 8:52. In Cass County, Michigan. Yeah, it was confirms an EF1 tornado, 2.1 miles northeast along the east side of Edwardsburg before it dissipate. It didn't finish it. The person who made this did not finish dissipating, but keep moving on. So this was at 9 p.m. 9:42 p.m. Kent County, Michigan, so same state. EF0 tornado with winds up to 80 miles per hour. The path was 4.2 miles. Okay, 4.2 miles. All right. Yeah, thankfully, these weren't too powerful tornadoes. Not very powerful. I hope not. So basically all of it, usually we're just getting like EF1. If I'm correct, no, we have not gotten EF2 yet. Yeah, it seems like most of the EF1, I thought off this storm it would produce something a lot more powerful. Kent County, Michigan. Yeah, I went off that one. So this one was at 11 p.m. No, I'm wrong. 10 p.m. I don't know where I got. Made a mistake. Ripley County, Missouri. Does not have a description for it, so I'm wondering if they're gonna add it probably tomorrow after I'm filming this, because still early in the week. So I'm just thinking probably gonna get more reports out. It's probably not. Oh, this is not official. I'm guessing if they're like tracking more. I'm not sure. I might be wrong. I most likely will be wrong. We're moving on to another tornado. I lost count of how many. This was Missouri again, Ripley County. Same. Oh no, no. Never mind. Wait, is this same or the minute after? EF1 tornado started about 2 miles northeast of Oxley, producing mainly tree damage. Okay. Nothing too. I think that might be the same one. I don't know. It produced 2, but here, Newaygo, Michigan. Multiple reports of a tornado on the ground observed at Oak in 104th time. Yeah, it doesn't have tornado on it. Yeah, they must be still doing damage reports or the surveys that the National Weather Service does. So I don't think it's all going to be official, but we got some of it down. So it was public reports, tornado on the ground, so could be like rainfall from like a distant. I'm not sure. Gonna have to check it. I might check back in maybe a part 2 to see if you guys want a part 2 to this video. But the website's doing all right. Ingham. I am bad at pronouncing counties. Okay. Michigan. EF0 began at Olds Road south of Leslie, Montana. Oh no, Michigan. Oh my god. How did I get T with an I? How do I do that? Okay. There was EF0. Minor damage to homes and resulted in loss of several outbuildings. Okay. Nothing too big, thankfully. This is in Ingham, Michigan again, or the county. EF1 tornado. This would happen 20 minutes after, and that was at 10:40. And the one before that was 10:20. But so EF1 tornado caused damage to multiple houses, including two-story home that lost its roof. Several other homes had roof and sliding damage. There's also damage to GRR in parentheses marks, or parentheses, my bad. Yeah. Alright, we're just gonna try to power through this. I'm on Monroe County, Michigan right now. It does not seem like we're getting close to done. Not getting close. Oh yeah. Monroe County, Michigan. I'm saying all these, I'm sure I'm saying all these counties right, wrong. In this video, feel free to correct me in the comments. Yeah. I'm saying my words a lot clearly now, so that's good. I'm not stuttering or something. I'm improving on public speech, kind of. I mean, this wouldn't be public speech, but yeah, obviously. Alright, I'm going to stop yapping, keep going. Delayed report. National Weather Service has verified an EF0 tornado from Sunday, March 30th. Winds of 85 miles per hour. Okay. Then, oh, this one was 11 p.m. Perfect. Or not perfect. I mean, the time was perfect. Exactly at 11 p.m. But oh my god. I'm gonna have to put this up on the screen. I don't know how to say this county. Shiawassee, Michigan County, Michigan. A lot of Michigan tornadoes. Okay. Delayed report. National Weather Service had verified an EF1 tornado Sunday. Yeah, same to the last one. All right, Alexander County, Illinois. Okay, back to Illinois. EF1 tornado, 105 mile per hour winds, 18.2 mile track. Numerous trees snap, roof damage to homes and barns, shrouded in that 90 mile per hour straight line winds. To the south, that eventually PAH in parentheses. All right, I'm gonna have to inform myself on that. So if I do this again, which I'm probably gonna do, yeah, I'm gonna have to learn what that is. But moving on, Poinsett County, Arkansas, EF0 tornado, 4.78 miles to southwest Harrisburg. All right. Arkansas. I don't know how many tornadoes they got. Doesn't show much, but going to Ohio here. Oh god. What's this county? Miami Butler? Could be Butler County, I don't know. Yeah, probably Butler County, Ohio. EF0 tornado with estimated peak winds of about 80 miles per hour, path width of 150 yards. Touchdown just north of New Miami. Alright. Butler, Ohio again. This was a few minutes after, so like 12 minutes. This was at 1 a.m. The EF0 tornado developed in oh my god. I'm not reading New West. Okay, West, I'm sorry about that. Westchester and traveled east into Warren County. About 2 miles west. Oh, ended about 2 miles west. Okay. Next one, Warren County, Ohio, EF0 tornado. 80. Why does the website keep doing 80 and 85 mile per hour, patch width of about 150 yards. Meade County, Kentucky. Okay, I don't know how to say that. My bad, guys. Tornado began just west of Midway. Referred to public information statements for additional details. Okay, I'm guessing we will not know what happened. Alright. We're gonna have to move on. Fayette County, Ohio. Yeah, I'm definitely not saying these right. EF1 tornado with estimated peak winds around 90 miles per hour in a patch width of about 250 yards. Yeah, we're just basically getting a bunch of EF1s, nothing too big. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna skip through. So Hardin County, Kentucky doesn't have what doesn't have the, I don't know what to say. How do I not know? How does not classify or has what the tornadoes classified as in the scale. Jefferson County. Oh no. Bullitt County, Kentucky. That does not have anything. But Jefferson County, Kentucky, the EF1 tornado, winds of 100 miles per hour. Move on to Spencer, Kentucky. Okay. Based on damage to trees and barns, intensity was rated EF1. Alright, in Humphreys County, Tennessee, EF1 tornado from the storm surveyed by the National Weather Service. Peak winds of 95 miles per hour. Another, same thing with the Humphreys County, Tennessee. This does not have it. How do I, oh my god, doesn't have it classified. Alright, Hickman County, Tennessee, EF0 tornado, winds of 85 miles per hour. Maury County, Tennessee, EF2 tornado. Okay, that's our first EF2 tornado. Alright, so highest, I think that might be the highest that it went in this outbreak. So we got a EF2 tornado, so that's going to be highest. Instead of EF1, so we got EF0 to EF2. That's kind of normal. Usually I was expecting it to be all EF1. I think I did see something about EF2 earlier, but Maury County, Tennessee, EF1 tornado, peak winds of 100 miles per hour. Lowndes County, Mississippi, I don't know how to say that name too, does not have its classification. Okay, I might be wrong about it being classification, but we have 3 more reports left. Okay, Lowndes County, Mississippi, weak tornado touched down near Wolf Road and tracked east just into western parts of Lamar County, Alabama. It's Mississippi, yeah. Marion County, Mississippi, doesn't have anything too. Lamar County, Mississippi, yeah, it doesn't have anything too. So yeah, I'm guessing they're gonna have more updates about the classification for these tornadoes. I hope you enjoyed this video, even though I was like not saying my words right or just pronouncing the counties wrong. So yeah, correct me in the comments. I'll put this the list by Noah into the description of this video. And yeah, more videos are gonna be coming out like this. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoy it. I might make a part 2 if you want to, so I can like so if there's like anything, if it wasn't classified and it is classified now, I'm gonna see, I can make a YouTube short maybe. I don't know. Depends on what you guys want in the comments. I'm not expecting this video to get much views, but I'll really appreciate it if you made it this far into the video. And see y'all in the next one.